Welcome to Client School and Happy New Year. So who gets to claim the kids on taxes? That is the next big question coming up in the world of divorced parents in every new year. If you are not yet divorced and there is no temporary order of child custody or an order governing who can claim the child for tax purposes, then the law is clear. Every man for himself. Whoever files first gets to claim the kids. If you are divorced or not yet divorced, but there is a temporary order of child custody or an order governing who can claim the child for tax purposes, then the law is equally clear. Do as the court orders, or you can be sanctioned by both the divorce court and the IRS. A child tax exemption may not be awarded to a parent unless the award will result in a tax benefit to that parent. Generally speaking, there is no presumption as to which parent should be awarded the right to claim a child or children as exemption for federal and state income tax purposes. In awarding the tax exemption, the court shall consider as primary factors both the relative contribution of each parent to the cost of raising the child and the relative tax benefit to each parent. The court may not award an exemption to a parent if that parent is not current in his or her child support obligations, in which case the court may award the exemption to the other parent. If you want to see the Utah Code section governing the child tax exemptions, it's at Code Section 78-12-217. One of the most common ways that divorced parents share the tax benefits of their dependent children is by agreeing that they can claim an even number of the children if they have an even number of children, or if they have one or an odd number of children, or simply want to have all the children claimed at once, they can agree to claim the children in alternating years. For example, dad claims the child or children in odd-numbered years, and mom claims the child or children in even-numbered years. Now, in the event one party would receive a greater advantage from claiming any or all of the party's minor children for income tax purposes, some divorced parents agree that they can purchase the right to claim the children from the other parent. So the parent who purchases that right to claim the children out of turn pays the other parent the equivalent of what he or she would have received had she claimed the children or he had claimed the children in a given year. To ensure that parents and the IRS are not confused over whose right it is to claim the children in a given year for tax purposes, use IRS Form 8332, and this is what it's called, the Release/Revocation of Release of Claim to Exemption for Child by Custodial Parent form. Here's the link to that form. And thanks for coming to Client School.